this video, we will tell you what the Lab4Physics app is all about and how it works. So Lab4Physics is a mobile app that uses the sensors that are already built in your smartphone or tablet, and it turns them into lab instruments so that you can teach and learn physics anywhere. You can use it in the classroom, outside the school courtyard, in a school lab, or even at home. To get Lab4Physics, you need to go to the App Store on your device. If you're an Android user, you should go to the Play Store or Google Play, and if you're an iOS user, you should go to the App Store. In the search bar, type Lab4Physics and select the app. Install the app, and in the case of Android, accept the terms and conditions. Once it's downloaded, open the app and you will see the welcome screen. You can now log into with the institutional email address given to you by a Lab4U team member or one of its partners. Enter your username and password and then press Login. This will take you to the home screen. If you do not have an institutional username or premium account, we invite you to create an account. You can create an account using your Facebook account, Google, or email address. Once you are in the Lab4Physics app, you will see two main sections: Experiments and Tools. In the first section, you will find all the experiments separated into categories. At present, we have 4 categories: Play Physics, Movement, Force and Energy, and Waves. If we select a category, for example, Movement, you will see a list of experiments that are in that category. Let's choose one. Each experiment begins with a real-life example and a question to think about. This is a basic pillar in our pedagogical mission. If we click Next, we see the experiments unfold via a step-by-step process in which the students build their experimental setup, take measurements, and analyze their results. Once we finish the experiments, we can run the activity again or return to the app's home screen. In the second section, you will find the tools, which use some of the sensors that are already built in your mobile device. This will allow you to take a number of different measurements, save them, analyze your results, and export your data. Then you can use your data wherever and whenever you want. Currently, we have 4 measurement tools. The first one is accelerometer, camera, sonometer, and speedometer. If you want to know more about each tool and how they work, watch our upcoming videos. One of the most important characteristics of the app is that you can experiment without internet connection. To do so, you will first need to download the experiment in a place that does have internet connection. To download an experiment, you can open one and slide the switch over so that the color changes. This way, the experiment will remain downloaded on your device. To verify that the download was successful, you should close the application, then put your device on airplane mode, open the app again, and go to the experiment section where you will find the experiment that you just downloaded. Now you can use it without an internet connection and you will have no problems. Now that you know what the Lab4Physics app is all about, we invite you to experiment with physics.